Hello everyone, I'm Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2014 Hino 338 utility service crane truck. It has an Autocrane HC10, that's a 10,000 pound capacity crane, has a wireless remote, hydraulic outriggers, curbside extends, has a Van Air RC40 hydraulic air compressor, a couple of tool drawers. This was previously owned by Caterpillar Service. We bought it directly from them. It came in a package, I think, of 7 or 8, maybe more trucks now. This one itself has 128,000 miles, have a 7.6 liter turbo diesel engine, Allison automatic transmission. Really nice truck. No major rust anywhere on this thing. We try to keep it as original paint as possible, so we did just some light touching up in some areas during detail, but this is an original paint truck. It's really nice. It starts right up, crane operates as it should, and you'll see that after this video. Compressor fires right up. Both of which are hydraulic driven. So this has a PTO which drives the crane and the hydraulic air compressor as well as the outriggers. We're going to jump in this thing and show you how it runs in just a second, but I want to show you the exterior first. It does have some minor dings and dents. Like I said, it is original paint, so we didn't paint it up. We prefer to leave a truck as it is if it's a nice truck when it comes in, and this was one of those. Good tires all the way around, deep tread remaining, frame and underside's in good condition. Just some light surface rust in some areas. Well optioned truck with power windows and cruise control. I'll go ahead and start this thing up. It's got ice cold air conditioning. It's a hot day today, and I was just sitting in here a minute. Nice cold air conditioning. Turn the fan down so you can hear the engine. But 127,985, a little hard to see with the sun there, but no lights on the dash. Nice clean interior, very spacious. The Hinos are very comfortable to drive, got plenty of headroom. Got a bunch of space too between the wheel and the seat. AM, FM radio, heat, air conditioning. Got our Chelsea PTO switch down the bottom there. Allison automatic transmission. Nice clean interior. Obviously an air brake truck with the parking brake there, and it is a 33,000 gross. But nice interior, pretty on par for the mileage. Low mileage on this truck, and low hours on this air compressor. Only 100 hours showing on that RC40. Show you inside this utility box. We got a one tool drawer up here in the D1 cabinet. All of them, all the boxes open and close as they should. Latches feel good. Excuse me. Tank storage in this box is what they use it for, it seems like. Nice clean utility box on this thing. This is an Atkins body, well built. They're down in North Carolina. Good tires all the way around on this truck, and I'll show you the underneath. Pretty nice truck. Off the rear, again, we kept this all original, so you got some minor scrapes and scratches, but normally these rear workstation areas get all banged up and beat up because most guys are working off the back, but you can see there's just some light imperfections, a little bit of paint peeling, undercoating peeling, and really we could make that look perfect, but like I said, when we have one that comes in that looks pretty good, try to keep it original. I'd rather be original. Do have some trailer wiring, use some 7-way. It does have a mount for a hitch. So in between the boxes here, it does have a canvas enclosure. Now that is a little hard to slide back and forth, so that probably needs a little bit of TLC, but it does look like the tarp's in good condition, and it looks like it'll slide all the way back to here to cover everything and all your tools and material in between your boxes. Looks like they had a welder mounted to the back here. Still has some bolt holes, so if you wanted to add your welder, I don't think it'd be too hard. Autocrane HC10. That's just under a 25-foot total reach, 24'6". That's what they're calling it. We've got hydraulic outrigger controls at the rear here. Your crane hydraulic selector. So right now it's set to outriggers. You push that forward, it's going to be set to your crane, and that's how you operate. That does have under the workbench storage here, all nice and clean. Normally those get rusty. Got a northern truck, inside there it gets pretty rusty. This one is not the case. This is a nice truck. A lot of these came out of southern states, at least more southern than Maryland then. We've got an air reel here. Also got it set up as some compartment lights and some floodlights. There's our wireless remote. This is proportional, super nice to operate remote. Works as it should. But it's hard to find them like this. It's a real nice truck. Very minimal rust. I haven't really found any actually. Good tires all the way around. Got some tank storage over here. Very nice utility box on this truck. Truck itself's nice. Now because of the year, it does have DEF. All the DEF system is operating as it should, so it should be compliant in all states. It's all intact, has not been deleted. Everything is how it was from the factory, and it is working as it should. Again, good tires all the way around. Now, when we get our trucks in, we go through a number of tests and trials and tribulations on our trucks. So it's been gone over, checked through, service. We have many hours invested to each and every truck. We spend thousands of dollars on every truck. It's not like we get this thing in, spray some spray paint on it and clean it up and send it for sale. We actually spend weeks repairing our trucks and making sure that's something we can stand behind. And can't say that for everyone, but at least that's what we do. So any truck I have for sale, I have a repair list on, so call me or shoot me an email and I'll get you that list over. But every truck goes through some extensive repair, and this one's no different. But you can check it out for sale on our website. Our website's lewistrucks.com. That's LEWIS, trucks.com. We're Lewis Motor Company, located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. I have, like I said, I think we bought about 7 of these Hinos, maybe more now. This is one of the first ones to get listed. So if you're interested in one of these, give me a call. Or if you're interested in any service truck, give me a call. We at any given point, we have 50 or so on the lot. So I'm sure we have something for everybody, but call me and we'll get one sold to you. Thank you guys for watching.